Okie dokie. In this section, what I want to teach you is about the abstract keyword, which is used in conjunction when you are learning OOP. So the abstract keyword has a couple of uses, and the best way for me to demonstrate how it works, and then I'll give you a better and more realistic example, is through an animal class. So let's say that we have this class in here called an animal. And you've seen that through inheritance, we can basically have an animal. So here we can say private and then string and then name right here. And let's have a public method. And then here I'm going to say void make and then sound. There we go. So here, if I basically say making sound just for now, and let's have the constructors as well as the getters and setters. So here, let's just say getters and setters, toString, basically everything. So toString, and also equals and hash code. Nice and easy. All right, so now we've got an animal, and if we want to create a cat, for example, or a dog, so here we can say Java class, I can say cat, and we can definitely say extends and then animal, right? Because they're both animals, and a cat will be different to a dog. So here, if I create a dog, I've just duplicated the class. So here, this is now the dog, and now these two classes extend animal. Now, if I basically come here into main and then say new animal, right? So here I need to give it a name. So let's just say Bobby. And sorry if your name is Bobby. By no means I'm trying to offend you. So here, if I say, for example, what animal do you have? You'll be like, okay, I've got a dog, I've got a cat, so on and so forth, right? So technically, it doesn't really make sense for us to create a new instance of an animal because we already have a dog as well as a cat, and they both extend animal. And basically the abstract keyword, so the abstract keyword is a keyword that comes before the class as well as methods, but I'll show you with classes first. So here, let's just say abstract public class. Now, what this means is that this class cannot be instantiated. So have a look. If I go back to main, this no longer works because I've said, okay, you've got an animal. Which animal? Is it a dog or a cat? So it doesn't really make sense for us to create an animal on its own. So here, now if you want to create a dog, what you could say dog equals to new and then dog. And let's just say call it foo, for example. But equally, we can say animal dog equals to new dog, because dog is an animal and not the way around. So the same, I can take this and I can say cat, for example, cat, and this is bar. So basically you can see how the abstract keyword is working in here. So basically if you attach the abstract keyword on a class, it means that you cannot instantiate that class, and you can use it through inheritance as you've seen with cat and dog. And to be honest, this is the abstract keyword on classes. Next, let me teach you on methods.